What's good, guys? What's up? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm back again with another video. So I'll be reacting to Fly Like a Bird by Mariah Carey, cover featuring Kiko Salazar and Adonis Tabanda, Morissette, Amon. So I have reacted to her once and it's been a long time, but yes guys, without further ado, let's just get into this video. Hey. Ooh. Harmonies.
There's a place up above, though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love from one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, down like the world, break me. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home. How can we recover? Will the world ever be a place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality? If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high, down like the road, break me tonight, leave the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you'll come and carry me home. I need you right now. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. With God's love you'll
Damn. Morissette. Oh wow. Are you guys kidding me? Like, that was insane. OMG. That was amazing. That was insane. I love it, guys. I'm here for that. Like, her voice is perfection. I think I reacted to him and I've forgotten his name. They were singing on the Wish Bass. Yeah, so that's where I saw her first, and she's amazing, guys. She's got a beautiful voice. I just love her, and she's so pretty. So I'll say, like, the harmonies of the two boys as well, I've never heard of them, but they're amazing. I love their harmony. I love their harmonization. Like, it's incredible. The song, I love Mariah. Like, you guys don't even know. I love her. Her voice is angelic, and they just did justice to it. Like, they did justice. But yes, guys, so that'll be the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Turn on the post notification so you get notified anytime I upload a video. And yeah, guys, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. They'll be linked in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And do see you.